got home. It's super gloomy and cold out. So tonight, I thought I would make myself a tomato soup with some grilled cheese. It's definitely soup season. Let's try this out. I love to dip the grilled cheese in this soup too. So good. I've been trying to cook a lot more at home because living in New York, it's just so easy to eat out. There's so much good food. We're also heading to Maine in a couple days to see the fall foliage. So we're gonna be going to Portland, Maine. I heard Portland is so beautiful, especially in the fall. Also, if you guys have any other suggestions on where to road trip in the Northeast, definitely let me know, because even though we both grew up in New York, I feel like we didn't really appreciate these seasons of the Northeast. For the longest time, I hated to cook. But recently, as I'm growing up, I feel like I really enjoy cooking at home a lot more and just making myself like a homemade meal. Maybe that's just like growing up, but this is so good right now. It's just what I needed tonight. I'm in my kitchen doing my makeup just because the natural lighting here is really nice. I'm about to go to a candle making class with Michelle. I'm not really sure what to expect. My first time going, but I think it'll be really fun. I'm hoping they have some fall scents. I think that'll be really nice. We are going to grab some food first. Okay, makeup is done. And then go back for it. Just finished lunch and now we're gonna go get some boba and do some candle making.
You need to clean your lens, girl.
Do you think it's my lens? Oh, it is my lens. That kind of looks good though. Oh yeah. So wait, what did I get? A Yakult grapefruit. She said. How do you say it? Here. That's some good Yakult. Sorry, bro.
Oh yeah, it does.
Vanilla, pumpkin.
It almost smells like a perfume.
It smells like laundry. Laundry. It smells like my laundry.
Got cinnamon stick, vanilla.
Yummy. Yummy.
We're gonna have the same scent.
Yeah, I think we're
gonna get the same meal. We're obsessed.
Cute, actually. Yeah, just put the brown. just finished cleaning the whole apartment. It looks and feels so much better now. It was so messy before and I just been putting it off, but this makes me really happy. Rewarding myself with a strawberry shortcake. Yesterday Samson got this for me from Lady M. This is one of my favorite cakes. It's so creamy and good. Currently on my way to a book event. It is for It Starts With Us by Colleen Hoover. It Ends With Us is one of my favorite books, so I'm super excited for this little pop-up. I'm going with one of my really good friends, Ashley. I'm excited. Okay, we just got our book. Today's the release date, right?
Yes, today's a release day. It's the book week.
I'm excited to read it.
Mine's gonna stay on my shelf for another year.
For your to be read?
Yes, on my to be read.
Got to Maine yesterday, and today we've just been walking around commercial streets looking at some of the shops, and now we're waiting to get some lobster roll. We're going to Eventide, heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna get some oysters too. We're at Two Light State Park. It is very sunny here, but it feels so good because we don't see the sun in New York. I never knew Maine was so beautiful.
I think next time we should go to Acadia National Park.
Yeah, Acadia. It's another 3 hours north.
I thought we were just gonna do like a small hike.
It reminds me of Palos Verde. Even like parts of Malibu, honestly. We found this area and it's so beautiful and magical here. Look at the leaves on the floor. It looks like it's from a movie. Eating at Street and Cold tonight. Highly recommended. We're gonna sit outside because little Kobe is here. Kobe! Hello! Let's see your jacket. Very fleecy inside. Finished eating. That was delicious. It was definitely the best meal that we've had here in Portland, and it exceeded our expectations. So definitely recommend to
guys ever visit Portland, Street and Company. What do we get? What was the thing that we got?
We got the lobster diavolo.
Lobster diavolo for 2. We couldn't even really finish it. And this one eats a lot. We are leaving tomorrow to go back home. But I think we will definitely visit Maine again.